still won't start. Do you know what the reason is? Let's go to replace the spark plug and ignition coil. Even replace the carbon canister to the front. The owner went to 5 repair shops. Cleaned the throttle. Replaced the spark plug and ignition coil. Even replaced the carbon canister solenoid valve. Spent a lot of money. The problem is not solved at all. In fact, the reason why it can't start, there is a parts repair shop that is very easy to overlook. This part is the camshaft solenoid valve. Let's take it out next. Unplug the plug first. Open the toolbox. Then take to overlook. This part is the camshaft solenoid valve. Let's take it out next. Unplug the plug first. Open the toolbox. Then take out the screwdriver. Aim at this screw. Loosen it. Okay, I know where the problem is. Look here, it's all oily and sludge. No wonder it can't start. Now we know where the problem is. Isn't it easy to solve it? Next, let's clean it. First, spend $2 to buy a bottle of cleaning agent. Then spray it on this. Okay, now the camshaft solenoid valve has been cleaned. Next, let's install it back. First, plug the camshaft electromagnetic disc back in. Then screw it on. Plug in the plug. Okay, let's get in the car and try. See if we can start the engine now. My friends, I share car knowledge every day. It's really not easy. I hope you can move your hands in front of the screen. Give me a like to support me. If you can click a red heart to support me, then you can come to me if you have any car problems in the future. I will solve it for you. Let's show you directly. Come on, let's step on the brake. 3, 2, 1, go. How about it? Is it ignited at once? Are these methods